Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my Amazon KDP journey. How much money I made in just 1 month after publishing 12 books. Yes, you heard that right. 12 books in 1 month. I created 6 low-content notebook journals and 6 medium-content coloring books. Stick around as I break down my results, my process, and the surprising truth about what it really takes to earn from KDP. And before we dive in, please hit that like button and leave a comment at the end. It really helps the channel grow. Like many people online, I've always been on the hunt for the perfect way to make money online. I dreamed of a life where I could work for myself, support my family, travel the world, and become the most successful version of myself. So, whenever I discover a new method to earn money online, I give it a try, especially if it promises a simple and lucrative side hustle. Over the past few months, I saw countless videos about how easy it is to make money selling books on Amazon KDP.
So, a simple kids coloring book like this one can literally make over $10,000 a month on Amazon KDP.
There's an easy way to produce top-selling titles in the red-hot kids activity book niche, where similar books are generating over $5,000 a month on Amazon.
Amazon KDP and AI are an excellent combo for making money. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made thousands of dollars with AI.
They claimed it was effortless and could make you a fortune. I thought, why not give it a try? I started by working on my very first coloring book. In just a few days, I created one that featured 60 beautiful, ready-to-color patterns. While browsing Amazon's bestseller lists, I noticed that mandala art coloring books were particularly popular. That gave me the idea for my first book, a simple 60-pattern coloring book designed to appeal to that niche. Soon after, I published a second book in the same category, following the same formula. Then, I decided to branch out and create an easy bold coloring book. This time, I focused on a clean cover design and simple, yet striking, interior pages that were perfect for coloring. I even made a couple more books by mixing mandala art with Celtic designs, and let me tell you, the results were amazing. After completing my coloring books, I switched gears and decided to create some notebook journals. Notebooks are super easy to make, so I managed to produce 6 of them in just a few hours. I modeled these on popular designs I saw on Amazon. 5 simple layouts, and 1 with a humorous twist on each page. Finally, I wrapped up the month by creating a special coloring book for kids. This one features cute, bold illustrations of animals and includes a fun fact for each page, designed to educate and entertain at the same time. Now, here's the part you've all been waiting for, my earnings report. After 1 month of publishing these 12 books, I expected to see some solid income. But to my surprise, I made 0 sales and 0 profit. Yes, 0. This result was definitely a shocker, especially after watching so many videos claiming that you can easily make money on Amazon KDP. It forced me to take a closer look at what's really happening. So what did I learn? Here are some insights from my journey. 1. Realistic expectations. Don't believe every overnight success video out there. Earning money on Amazon KDP isn't as simple as it seems. It takes time, persistence, and a lot of trial and error. 2. Quality over quantity. Although I published 12 books quickly, quality and proper marketing are crucial. It turns out that without enough promotion or an optimized product listing, even a well-designed book might not sell. 3. Effective marketing is key. Many creators promote affiliate products, AI tools, or courses in their videos, and often their earnings come from these promotions rather than the book sales themselves. For regular people like us, achieving even 50% of those reported results requires extra time and investment in advertising. 4. Niche and design matter. It's essential to find the right niche and make sure your book stands out in design and content. Doing thorough keyword research and refining your cover and interior designs are steps you cannot skip. In summary, the journey of making money with Amazon KDP is challenging and sometimes disappointing, but it's also a learning experience. It taught me that there is no magic formula. Success requires hard work, strategic marketing, and sometimes a bit of patience. In conclusion, while my first month didn't bring in any profit, it was an invaluable lesson in the realities of low-content publishing. I realized that the videos you see online often exaggerate the ease of making money on Amazon KDP. If you're planning to jump in, be prepared to invest time, money, and effort. There's potential here, but you need to work hard for it. If you enjoyed this honest review of my journey, please give this video a like and leave a comment sharing your own experiences or questions about Amazon KDP. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, strategies, and behind-the-scenes looks at my online business adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Stay safe, keep learning, and see you in the next video.